We live on a floating house. We live on a floating house. Our house is on the river. Our house is on the river. The river looks beautiful today. The river looks beautiful today. The air feels cool this morning. The air feels cool this morning. I can hear the sound of rain. I can hear the sound of rain. Ducks are swimming near our house. Ducks are swimming near our house. I love rainy mornings. I love rainy mornings.
I am fixing the fishing net. I am fixing the fishing net. This net is very old. This net is very old. Some parts of the net are broken. Some parts of the net are broken. I need to repair it carefully. I need to repair it carefully.
Are you going fishing again today? Are you going fishing again today?
Rainy days are good for fishing. Rainy days are good for fishing.
I am making tea for everyone. I am making tea for everyone. I am also making breakfast. I am also making breakfast.
We should wear raincoats today. We should wear raincoats today. My raincoat is blue. My raincoat is blue.
Please be careful on the river. Please be careful on the river.
I am taking the fishing net. I am taking the fishing net. The boat is beside the house. The boat is beside the house. I am stepping into the boat. I am stepping into the boat. Sit carefully inside the boat. Sit carefully inside the boat. Hold the side of the boat. Hold the side of the boat. Rain is falling on the river. Rain is falling on the river.
The water splashes near the boat. The water splashes near the boat.
We are reaching the fishing spot. We are reaching the fishing spot.
Ah! I see birds flying low.
I see birds flying low.
Birds also search for fish. Birds also search for fish. I am throwing the net now. I am throwing the net now. We caught many fish today. We caught many fish today. The fish are jumping inside the net. The fish are jumping inside the net. Put them inside the basket. Put them inside the basket. We are going back home. We are going back home.